Welcome to California. This is a wonderful classic layered technique. First of all, where is our length? So when we look at our length, and the area that's always dodgy is around the ear, isn't it? So when we think, okay, we want the length to live here and we lift this up, we know that we don't want to cut that off. So therefore, this length on the perimeter is going to determine the length that we're going to have through here. So as you look at this and you see this fall down, you can see, wow, this layer is going to be quite high. Let's take another look at the depth of how we can go in with our razor. As we glide in and out in our long motion, we can take away a lot of bulk. Again, observe the shape first, and then ask yourself, do I need to create more lightness? Comb the hair into place and always observe the fall. And as you can see, we've created an inverted V. Now we work into our back. So we gently blend from our front to the back and we start to work on our L technique.